And we begin at 4 today with those strong winds and the warnings now in effect. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Colleen Williams.
And I'm Michael Brownlee. Because of all the recent rain we've had, there is a greater risk of downed trees and power lines and dangerous conditions on the roads. Those winds may have played a role in a big rig crash here on the 5 freeway. It happened this morning near Cherry Canyon and the Pyramid Lake area. All lanes are now back open here on the southbound side. That big rig didn't have any cargo in its trailer.
Meantime, in Sylmar, trees, as you can see, are shaking. Plastic bags are flying across parking lots out there, and signs blown over. We also saw some strong gusts whipping through a park in Porter Ranch.
Giving you a live look right now from Ontario International Airport. Meteorologist Melissa McGee is here. She is tracking, of course, those winds in your first alert forecast. Melissa.
Hi there, Michael and Colleen. And yeah, we're tracking the winds for the rest of tonight. That wind also bringing down some cooler air this afternoon. I want to show you the current gusts across the region. Santa Clarita up to 45 miles per hour. LAX 25, Long Beach, and at 23 miles per hour. We've got 23 miles per hour as well in Victorville. So we've got high wind warnings. That is the darker shade of yellow or mustard here. And we also have a wind advisory for the basin floor down across areas in Orange County and the Inland Empire. So some of these advisories and these warnings will not come down until 1 p.m. on Sunday. So we're going to go through our entire weekend dealing with moderate to locally strong winds across the region. But it's all about the wind and the direction of the wind and what that does to our temperatures. So 55 right now in Van Nuys, 60 in Ontario, 62 in Long Beach, and 55 degrees only in Thousand Oaks. Let's talk about the weather headlines here. We're dealing with a northerly wind right now, but I am tracking a pattern change as early as tomorrow. Santa Ana winds develop as we get into our Friday afternoon. That brings in a northeasterly wind. So this weekend, milder air does return. We've got plenty of sunshine to enjoy as we head into the weekend, and especially next week. I'm tracking numbers in the 70s and the 80s because of that northeasterly wind. We'll talk about it coming up with your first alert forecast. Michael, back over to you.
Melissa, thank you. And please don't forget, you can stay updated on the weather 24/7. Just scan the QR code there on your screen to download our free NBCLA app. It's going to give you access to our radar network and will send you customized weather alerts right to your phone.